more try it example to do here of these shifts, just because this one's a little bit different. I guess it's worth talking through. Our starting spot is f of x equals 1 over x, and what I want to do is I want to shift the function 1 unit up and 1 unit to the right. In other words, I'm going to add 1 unit up. I'm going to add 1 to the y coordinate, and 1 unit to the right. I guess that means I'm going to add 1 to the x coordinate. But wait a minute, when you go back to your handy cheat sheet here, with the y coordinates, hey, you add to them, but when we're talking about the x coordinates and horizontal shifts, we actually subtract some number from the x coordinate. So I don't want to think about it as I'm adding 1 to the x coordinate. I'd rather think about it as I'm subtracting -1 from the x coordinate. And the reason I can do that is because if I think about it as subtracting -1 from the x coordinate, well, subtracting a from the x coordinate is written like this. So subtracting -1 from the x coordinate would be written just like this, except playing the role of a would be -1. So this one is easy. Playing the role of a is +1. Down here, playing the role of a is -1. So now, really, what I figured out is that I want to figure out what is f of x minus 1 plus 1. This is my horizontal transformation where I'm subtracting -1 from the x coordinate, and this is my vertical transformation where I'm adding 1 to the y coordinate. So if f of x equals 1 over x, then f of x minus 1, well, I got the blueprint right here for my function. I can put x minus 1 into the function. I just replace all the x's here with x minus 1s. Guess that would look something like this. But then I'm not done. I want f of x minus 1, this thing that I just wrote, plus 1 to account for this plus 1 right here. So this is f of x minus 1. But if I want to add 1 to that, I'd get this. This would be the expression that I'm looking for my answer. I think I've done everything the question asked.